Hello everyone and welcome to CHEM 205 Application of Chemistry in Horticulture. My name is Dr. Pierre Gouet and I will be your instructor for this course. I'm glad you're here. I look forward to working with you over the next 5 weeks. I will start with a quick introduction again. I'm an adjunct instructor of chemistry at Unity Environment University. I hold a PhD in organic chemistry and have experience in hazardous material management and chemical research. I have taught chemistry for many years, and my focus in this course is helping you apply chemistry to real practical horticulture decisions. Now, let's talk about what this course is about. So, let's start here. Course overview before we move forward. There's an honor conduct here, code of conduct, and text success. So I want you to check here what you need for this class, confirm your agreement here, and then you're going to go through course description and alike. So in this CHEM 205, we examine how fertilizers, herbicides, and pesticides are used in horticulture. You'll learn how these chemicals work and why they use, how to evaluate the environmental impact, human health risk, and economic value. A key theme throughout the course is learning how to apply chemistry responsibly and sustainably. This is a 5 week online course running from January 12th through February 15th. There is no required textbook or material here is provided, a weekly module, and you also have additional library resources if you need them. A major component in this course is the horticulture consultant plan. In this project, you'll act as a consultant working with a plant grower experiencing declining productivity. You'll choose one scenario early in the course and build your plan step by step, applying what you learn each week. Here's what your work will look like week by week. So week by week, go here. There's the project. Here you're going to see what you need to do in this project. You have a transcript and slide that you can look at. Okay. You go back here, week by week then. Week 1, the role of chemistry in horticulture. In this week, you'll get oriented to the course, introduce yourself in the discussion, and choose your grower scenario. You'll also review fundamental chemistry concept and begin thinking about the question you will ask a real grower. That's week 1. So we have the objectives here. Introduce yourself, week 1 learning material course here. Assignments that you have in week 1, you have a discussion and 2 more assignments. So these are the steps on week 1. On week 2, you're going to focus on nutrients. So week 2. So on week 2, you're going to focus on nutrients, soil pH, and fertilizer. You examine how soil chemistry affects plant productivity and propose nutrient-related interventions, comparing natural and conventional options. So here you're going to have week 1, you have learning material here, assignment 1 and 2, and a discussion just like in week 1. And then week 3, herbicides. This week 3, the focus shift to herbicides and weed management. You will learn how herbicides work at the chemical level and be integrating cost consideration into your consultant plan. So we have, just like before in week 3, we have here the objectives here, learning material here, and you have assignment 1 and 2, and a discussion here, a case study of herbicides. And week 4, We'll cover more of the herbicides. Week 4, pesticides. So pesticide and pest management will evaluate pesticide chemistry, risk and monitoring strategies, and explore integrating pest management concept. Just like before, you have objectives here, learning material, week 4 discussion, assignment 1 and 2. And then we're going to have week 5, which is the last week of this, economic and environmental cost. In this week 5, everything comes together. Everything comes together in week 5. The objectives are here. You're going to have reflection discussion, assignment 1 and 2. Okay. You will submit your final consultant plan and complete a risk reflection where you consider environmental, health, and economic trade-offs. Discussions are an important part of this course. Most discussions require participation on 2 different days. Initial post is due Thursday by 3 a.m. Eastern Time, which is 12 p.m. I'm sorry, yeah, 12 a.m. Pacific Time, and your response are due Monday at 3 a.m. Eastern Time, which is 12 a.m. Pacific Time. All course communication should take place through Canvas inbox, also called Canvas conversation. I typically respond within 24 hours and encourage you to start assignments early so you have time to ask questions. Before you begin, you will need to confirm your agreement, as we said, with the honor code, code of conduct, and technology for success requirement. Once you do, the course module will unlock. If you don't, you will not have access to the course. Again, welcome to Chem 205. I'm excited to work with you and help you apply chemistry to real world horticulture challenges. Let's start. Thank you.